Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Yes to Information. Today, we will see how to load Express tools in Autocad. I have already loaded this feature. First, I will unload it. To do so you need to open Customize User Interface dialog box. You can go to in Ribbon Manage tab and then to User Interface or in Status Bar Workspace switching icon, and then Customize, or you can directly type CUI command and hit enter. I first unload Express tool through Partial Customization File tab. Now you can see that there is no Express tool tab in the ribbon. To load Express tool in Autocad, you need to find a CETB main.cuix file in your computer. Click this PC first and then search a CET main.cuix in Search tab. Right-click and open this file location. Please note this file location, and you can directly browse here from Autocad to load Express tool. But for convenience and example purpose to show you how can we load Express tool, I would like to copy this file and paste it to desktop. Let's again open the customization dialog box. Now load a CET main.cuix file by clicking this load button. Browse for the location of file. Here is the tips. Sometime you may find this CUIX file in this location of main customization file too. If you can't find it, browse for other location of your computer like we are doing now. Since we have saved this file to desktop, we go there. Now click this file to load. Click Apply and OK. Now you can see Express tools here again. Let's see what would happen if we delete main ACET main.cuix deliberately or accidentally file in desktop. Now you can see in Partial Customization File, Express tools it says unresolved because it cannot find host file. To resolve this problem, the best practice is to save ACET main. CUIX or any partial customization file to the location of main customization file. In my case, you can see here. So, now I am going to save this CUIX file this location and again load it. Like I am doing here, you also check your location and save CUIX file to there and load. This is the exact location we need to paste a CET main.cuix file from Autocad main installation folder. Now again search for the ACET main.cuix file here, or go to main Autocad installation folder location. Copy this file. Then go to the exact location mentioned earlier and paste. And now go to the Autocad customization dialog box and browse for this file location is directed by this video to X file.